Hi guys, Retro Guy back again with another segment. Here is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be cleaning the outside of the cartridge. Here is the game. You might remember from the last segment. I'm going to show you how to clean. I took these apart. If you guys remember this game, I actually was cleaning the contacts with the plastic eraser. This game is not too bad. I'm going to get that off. And it's very simple. I've said it with the Atari when I was cleaning that cartridge. Rubbing alcohol, 91% or higher. I'm going to make this look brand new. Here's the alcohol I use. Here's what I use. Rubbing alcohol, 91% or higher. This is what I use. Okay? Okay, let's get started. Let me grab some napkins real quick, because I don't want to do any, put any alcohol on my table. I'm actually going to use microfiber cloth in a paper towel. Okay. We're going to start on the hardest part, which is this. I'm going to take that off. I do not use Goo Gone. I don't use those type of products. And the reason is with the orange citrus, it can actually do some damage to the plastic. I was using one on an old Nintendo cartridge, trying to get that off, and it was actually starting to do some damage to it, melting the plastic. I had to think of something else. But this is how I do it. I don't use alcohol as I'm taking this plastic off, because the glue will start getting real gooey. It gets all over your fingers. I rather do this a little bit the hard way, just to take off what I can. And I always use a plastic, this is a plastic scraper I got from Lowe's, and I actually sanded it down to be round at the end instead of real sharp. It actually does better for me when I do that. Don't use metal, don't use anything sharp, don't use razor blade. You start gouging it. Plastic to plastic. I'm not damaging the cartridge. It's kind of weird in a way. You figure I'd be doing some damage. No, I tried it out with the Nintendo cartridge years ago, because I was using something sharp and I was trying to figure out what to do, because I kept doing some gouging and I didn't want to do any more gouging on it. So I came up with this method, tried it out, and as you can tell, I'm going as hard as I can go without breaking the plastic. I'm not doing any damage. And the plastic scraper is doing a fantastic job, as you can tell, taking this off. And once I get the rubbing alcohol on here, this is going to look like new. This cartridge, the game, will look like new. Sorry about that. That was had to turn my telephone off. I own a cleaning job, so I got people getting me for cleaning. This segment is cleaning the old consoles and the cartridges. I'll probably put a segment on the Xbox 360 later on. I'm getting some of my friends wanting me to, I've showed him how to fix a tray that won't open. I will be doing a segment on that also. And as you can tell, just by scraping with the plastic eraser, I'm not even done yet. Not even done. So, I have my little tools here. I'll just use a dropper, and I'll show you why I use a dropper. You don't want to get a lot of alcohol all over the place. And even though the alcohol is going to evaporate, I don't like getting wasted in the alcohol. So I just take a little dropper, put some on here. And what I'll do is I'll dab some on here, let the alcohol sit for a little bit. The alcohol is going to basically loosen up and basically also just almost neutralize the glue to make it to where I can take that off. Take my plastic scraper, and this is what I do. This is it, guys. This is how I do it. This is how I get all the residue off from the glue. I don't use glue gun, like I said. Glue gun, I don't like it. It will eventually do damage to the plastic, and as you can tell, I'm going to show you. What I do also, because the alcohol really evaporates very quickly, I'll put some alcohol on the paper towel and wipe it. Just wipe it. I'm going to show you, just by doing this and not using Goo Gone. Look at that. I'm going to show it very close. This is as if no sticker was put on there. That's how you get your stickers off. I am going to do a segment on the N64 to get those stickers off. But look at that. That's pretty much how you do it, guys. That's how you get these off. So, subscribe. Tell me some comments. What I'll do is, if you want another segment on how to do this, it's very simple. I'm actually going to go ahead and clean the other side of this. And I use rubbing alcohol. And alcohol is the best. Guys, I'm telling you, the rubbing alcohol is the best of cleaning these plastic cartridges. It's just fantastic. So this is the proper way of doing it. This is the way that I've always done it for years, through trial and error, to try and get these cartridges looking as good as I can. This is how I do it. This is it. So I'm going to use a microfiber cloth here, and again, alcohol, put a little bit on there. I love the microfiber cloth. Microfiber cloth does such a superior job on any type of cleaning, not just consoles. If you want to make anything look good, these are so fantastic to use. I like to get inside that, just to get all that dirt off. Years of dirt. Like I said, I got this from the flea market, and I like to take care of things. People say I'm a little bit ADD about it, but I am glad I'm ADD because I take care of my things. Some of the people that I talk to and help with their game consoles. Their game consoles are so much in bad shape, but I bring it back to life for them. Well, there's the back of the game. Look how shiny that is. Look how well that alcohol clean off that sticker. I'm going to do this also. It's not in bad shape. Excuse me, it's not in bad shape. But it could always use some tender living care, that's for sure. Excuse me. And don't worry about the alcohol being on the sticker. The sticker has a coating, which I didn't realize when I was doing this, has a coating on it that it will not harm the sticker. The sticker actually will look cleaner. So, this is going to look brand new. People are going to think, wow, you really did a good job taking care of your games, even though you got it from a flea market. That's okay. Don't tell them that I taught you how to do this. Just say, yeah, I've had these for years. I've always had them in storage. I am going to do a segment where I will put these in, show you how to put these in storage so you'll never ever have to clean these again. So, there's a little mark. Looks like a little black mark, if you can see that pretty good. I'm going to take that off, and I'm going to show you how to take that off. It's very easy. This is what I use. Magic eraser. When I get tough things like this is what I use. Just to take it off. Took it right off with a few strokes. Always good. Always good. It's gone. You can see that it's gone. Doesn't take a lot to do this. It doesn't take a lot, just to let you know that. This game is going to look brand new. Getting into the crevices on these, it's a little bit tough, but the rubbing alcohol does a superior job getting this done. If you're like me, you want to keep in good shape. Okay guys, this is going to be fantastic. Okay? I'm going to actually put this together and it's going to look brand new. Okay. Gotta get how to get the chip here. Bear with me. If you remember, I did this last segment. Clean, glossy, same game. I always like just a little bit of brushing, but one good thing about the cartridges, you cannot, no way, put this in wrong. I'll show you why. There's a little indentations here, here, and here. You cannot put these in wrong. It's impossible unless you hammer it in. Okay. Like I said, I'm just going to show you, if I were to pin them backwards, like if you forgot to put them in, there is no way, as you can tell, there's no way it's going to fit in there. So do not worry if you forget, like, man, I forgot how this went in, I don't want to mess up my unit. You won't mess it up. You will not mess it up. There you go, fits right in there. Take my glove off, because I will not be touching the contacts no more. Snug. You can always tell, if you, like I said, if you put it in wrong, it's not going to be snug like this. Put the screws back in. Don't tighten them too tight, you will crack the plastic. Keep that in mind. You do not want to tighten them too tight. You want them just snug. Like I said, there will be a segment how to store these where you'll never ever have to clean your Ataris or your Nintendos or your Sega game ever again. Okay guys, clean, looks brand new. It looks like I had just now bought this from a video store, brand new. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. And as always guys, subscribe, ask me questions. I want to help you guys. I know some of you are taking my advice and making a profit. Great, I'm glad to help you. If there's anything else, let me know. And as always, keep gaming.